Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over one of my favorite techniques to use when installing paint protection film over a hood or a fender or anything that has any ridges like this. Now this Mazda CX-5 already has full front end paint protection film installed on it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to take a scrap piece of matte paint protection film that we have lying around in our shop, and I'm going to show you guys how to properly use your squeegee and how to deal with these ridges when doing your installs. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so when you're doing a paint protection film installation, whether it's on a hood or whether it's on a fender or any other panel that's got ridges like this, one thing you do not want to do when you're doing your squeegeeing is you do not want to squeegee over the ridge like that. Sure, it can be done, but just on the little bit that I've been doing, if you look over here, and this is the reason why I use matte film, you can see how much moisture I got left behind right over here. That's why you don't want to be squeegeeing over these ridges because of leaving trapped moisture behind like this. What you want to be doing, and I'm going to get my slip solution, lift this up and completely redo this. Go. Instead, what you want to be doing, you want to be squeegeeing with the body line, with the ridge. So I'm just going to squeegee this down here onto the fender again. So in a situation like this, when we get to this ridge, like I did before with squeegeeing over it, you want to squeegee with it. So I'm going to start at the back. I'm going to take my squeegee, make sure it's properly contoured to that curve, and squeegee from back to front. What this is going to do, this is going to ensure that there's no moisture left behind anywhere on this ridge. Then what you can do from there is you can take and squeegee like you normally would. This is one trick that I started, or that once I learned, just hugely helped me improve the quality of my paint protection film installations after I first started to install. Oftentimes when I would be doing hoods, I'd be doing them on like F-150s, and there's all kinds of ridges and valleys, and I would constantly be going super slow with the squeegee, trying to squeegee over these ridges, and I would end up having so much moisture behind. Customers would be so upset. And once I figured out that if you just learn to squeegee with the ridge, you wouldn't have any of those issues. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's a super short tip. I know it's not rocket science, but it's just something that it's just a technique that I've used that has yielded great results, and hopefully it'll yield great results for you too. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.